In the first example, we are looking at the Amazing Larry, and he is a human cannonball, and he would like to reach a maximum height of 30 feet during his next launch. So we're looking at, he wants to be 30 feet at max, so he's going to be somewhere up here, and his launch is going to be a parabola. Based on Amazing Larry's previous launches, his assistant Dewan has estimated that this will occur 40 feet from the cannon. So over here, we have a cannon, and that will happen 40 feet away. When Amazing Larry is shot from the cannon, he is 10 feet above the ground. So when he's shot right here, he is 10 feet above the ground. Write a function to represent Amazing Larry's height in terms of distance. So we're going to look at our maximum height is at 40 feet and 30 feet high. So 40 is our x and 30 is our y. And then we look at when he is shot out of the cannon, he is 0 feet from the cannon, but he is 10 feet off the ground. We have 2 points, one of them with the maximum height. So this piece right here is really called the vertex, because that's the top of our parabola. And then we have our basically y-intercept. So we're going to use those 2 points to create our equation. We are going to use our vertex formula. So y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And then we're going to plug in the values that we have. So our vertex is hk, and our particular vertex is at 40, 30. So we're going to plug them into the equation. So we have y equals a times x minus squared plus, and we're going to plug in 40 for our x and 30 for our k. In this case, we don't know what our a value is. So we need to plug in our extra point to find out what that is. 0 is our x and 10 is our y. So instead of y, we put 10. Instead of x, we put 0. And then we have to solve for a. So we have 10 equals a times 0 minus 40 is 40. When we subtract 30, and we have negative 20 equals a times 40 squared, and 40 squared is 1600, and we divide by 1600, and we simplify to negative 1 over 80 equals a. So now we can write our equation. Y equals, our a is negative 1 over 80, x minus 40 plus 30. To write it as a function, we would write the height based on the distance equals negative 1 over 80 times x minus 40 plus 30.